Hey friends, if you encounter the error not enough memory to open this page on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Simply close Microsoft Edge, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart. Why? Because the word memory refers to RAM or random access memory on your system. And when you're restarting the computer, it gets reset. But there's a catch to this. What if there are a lot of background programs on your computer? What would you do in that case? So, for that, here's what you have to do: search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your system. And the last solution is to add RAM. So we'll go to Amazon.com, or let's say for that matter, any other website like Best Buy or whatever you prefer. I'm picking Amazon.com so that it's easier to find and search for RAM, and then buy the RAM which is compatible with your system and make sure that it is good enough. It has good enough reviews and you can add it to your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.